Hi guys, this is Ronaldo San 12398 and this is my review for the Master Grade Freedom Gundam 2.0 Silver Coating Edition. After more than 3 years since my first uh, upload for the unboxing of the kit. So far, I just finished it today, and so far I didn't had any issues. Hindi naman siya masakit sa kamay nung pinagkakabit-kabit ko na yung parts. Though, syempre, time consuming siya dahil may may skeleton to mga ganitong klaseng kit eh. So ito na siya. Now, if we will do the wobble test, hindi naman siya ganun ka-wobbly pagdating sa waist section. Tapos, with regards to, oh by the way, kinabit ko na yung backpack niya. And I would say medyo backpack heavy siya dahil may kalakihan yung kanyang uh, uh, wing backpack. Pero syempre, if you're an experienced builder, you will find way to balance it. And so far, I did find ways to balance my kit. So so far, I don't see any problem building this. And also, these are the uh, parts for the effect parts for the beam saber. We have two. Tapos, I'm not sure what this part is. I think ito yung ikakabit mo sa action base kung gusto mo siyang gawa ng mga action poses. Then, we also have the pilot figure. Ayan. Oh, by the way, this is just a straight build, so no marker or decals applied. Then, this part, we also have this part. I think this is for the action base as well. Tapos, these are the parts that you will place on the hands if kung gusto mo siyang uh, gawa ng mga action poses. Then lastly, we have the action base itself. Ayan po siya. Kulay black. I'm not going uh, to assemble the action base. Pero yun, so far ito yung ano niya, ito yung kit na tinapos kong buuin. And I gotta say, maganda siya kahit na straight build siya dahil sa silver coating niya. So yun, ito yung so again wala ako naging issue sa pagkakabit-kabit ng parts. Pero though medyo wobbly nga lang sa may waist section. Tapos ayun. By the way guys, meron din pala akong iba pang variant ng Master Grade Freedom Gundam 2.0 aside sa silver coating. So I have the black and blue version. That's a knockoff. Then we also have the pink version, also a knockoff. And lastly, the the latest Freedom Gundam 2.0 Fantasy something. Color black din siya na I believe may yellow part sa hands. So we will be doing a review on that as well. So yan, I will not dwell on this review for long. So ito siya. So basically sa review ko sa kit na to, maganda. I'm ano naman. Uh, like what I mentioned, di ako nagkaroon ng issue. And if I'm to rate this building this kit, I would give it a perfect 10 out of 10. Ngayon, after this review, I will start on doing doing my review or building the Freedom Gundam 2.0 black version, which is a knockoff. And yeah, so yun, sisimulan ko siya for next week, or should I say tomorrow. So yeah, that's about it guys. Ito lang yung short review ko sa Freedom Gundam 2.0 silver coating issue. I don't have any problems. I'm satisfied with it kahit na straight build. So that's about it guys. See you on my next review. Bye bye.